What's up guys? Welcome back to London. If you're new around here, my name is Val. I'm a German expat living in London and I'm slightly addicted to travel when there's not a global pandemic going on. So make sure you hit that subscribe button to not miss any of my upcoming travel adventures. So now that we're coming towards the end of the year, it is inevitable that we have to talk about Christmas. That wonderful festival full of laughter and love, happiness and joy, families gathering and reuniting from far afield and having a jolly good time. Now, I've been living abroad for over 6 years and there's no way that I will ever spend Christmas anywhere else than on that big, red, comfy sofa in my parents' house. It's been like that forever and it will never change. I've never done it any other way and I probably never will. But then, wait. Wasn't there something weird about 2020? I mean, it wasn't great, was it? Holidays cancelled, flat warming parties cancelled, Easter cancelled, our fabulous trip to Uganda and India so cancelled, summer festivals cancelled, flat warming parties cancelled, birthdays cancelled, concerts definitely cancelled, Frozen at the West End, nope, cancelled, flights cancelled, wedding cancelled, my surfing session at the Wave cancelled. Although, to be honest, that was due to the weather and not because of COVID, but I happily blame it on 2020 anyway. Christmas markets cancelled, summer parties cancelled, Christmas parties cancelled. We have a Zoom quiz instead. Thank you. So yes, this year hasn't exactly been smooth sailing so far. While there may not be very much Christmas cheer left, there's something they will not take away from us. Yeah, come. Christmas lights. I personally would very happily have my Christmas tree up the whole year if they would let me. So having at least Christmas lights to look at fills me with incredible joy. And being in London, there is so many Christmas lights, very famous Christmas lights to see. So come on, let's go. Let's see some of those. So this one is a little bit of a fail. We're at Trafalgar Square now, where usually you have a lovely Christmas tree every year, but as you can see there is nothing here. So I think we're just a little bit too early. But the story behind it is that every year in Norway, the people of Norway gift this Christmas tree to Trafalgar Square, to London, because it's a thank you for the British help to Norway in the Second World War, and it's usually a tree around 50 to 60 years old, around 20 meters high, and it's from the forests around Oslo. So next Christmas, if you come here, I'm pretty sure there's going to be a tree, and then at least you have a good story to tell. But even though there is no tree and no Christmas lights at Trafalgar Square yet, for some reason we've been blessed with a massive ice cream, including a cherry and a fly. That works too. If you have seen my video about Soho in lockdown, I'll link it up here if you haven't, then you already know everything there is to know about Carnaby Street. While other Christmas displays in London are pretty much the same every year, these guys come up with different theme. Last year something about environmental change, and this year is obviously all about COVID, the pandemic, being together, helping each other, hope, love, all the good things for the future. So that's what their display is about this year.
But of course the most beautiful Christmas display is a little bit off the beaten track, in a secret location where only those with a very special invite will ever have the chance to see the most beautiful Christmas tree in London.